two-letter sound makes the U sound. U, U, U. Okay, so E and U make the U sound. Okay, so let's put the U sound into some words then. Okay, so here we have the first one, which is feud. Feud. U, D. Feud. U, D. Feud. Okay, 4 letters, 3 sounds. If you have a feud with someone, it's like a long-standing battle. Okay, so I have a feud with my neighbour because they don't take the bins out, or something like that. Feud. 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 Okay, next one we have euphoria. Euphoria. U, R, E, A. Euphoria. U, R, E, A. Euphoria. U, R, E, A. Euphoria. Okay, so here we have a word with 8 letters, and how many sounds? It's got 3 two-letter sounds. U, R, E, A. 5 sounds there. Euphoria means an intense feeling of happiness and joy. Okay, so you could say, I am feeling euphoric, or you could say, I have a feeling of euphoria. Okay, next one we have is a very long one, which is euphemism. Euphemism. Okay, U, F, M, E, S, M. Euphemism. U, M, E, S, M. Euphemism. Okay, a euphemism is like when you want to say something but in a different language, usually nicer language. Okay, so instead of saying I am sick, you would say I am under the weather, and that is an example of a euphemism. Okay, euphemism. Okay, so super. So let's go through them all again. As always, make sure you're saying them with me at home. Obviously, with these longer words as well, can be difficult to blend. Okay, let's go in. You, feud, feud, euphoria, U-R-E-A, euphoria, and euphemism, U-F-M-I-S-M, euphemism. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.